This is my presentation presented by MD Minhaz Foundation Computer ID Nong 211222013, Unit Reference D by 6173716, or THM Level 3 Foundation Diploma for Higher Education Studies. Here is my topic. 2.1 Identify internal components of a central processing unit CPU. The following are the 6 internal components of a central processing unit. The control unit CPU is responsible for retrieval, decoding and executing instruction as we 2.1 Identify internal components of a central processing unit CPU. The following are the 6 internal components of a central processing unit. The control unit CPU is responsible for receiving, decoding and executing instructions as well as transmission control signals that operate hardware and transport data across the system. Registers, cache, buses, addresses, to explain the function of CPU. The CPU function is 4 steps. The CPU gets data from the computer when it is entered by input device such as a keyboard or mouse. Following that, the CPU performs computations and technological algorithm on the input data. After that, the CPU sends the processed data to output device such as a monitor screen. The CPU also keeps track of the processed data in a cache for later use. 2.3 Explain how computer hardware components work together. The CPU is separated into 2 parts. The instruction decoder retrieves and decoders instruction from memories. 2.4 Identify different types of storage media and explain the use of each with reference to the purpose. Random access memory. Random access memory data is copied from secondary storage HDD, SDD, flash memory device, optical storage device, NAND flash memories. 3.1 Explain how data represent in computer system. Binary data is stored in computer and consists of the integer 0 and 1 point a binary digit, often known as a bit, is the smallest unit of data in computer. 3.2 Explain how encryption can be used to presented data. Data encryption transforms information into a code that can only be by people with a secret key, technically known as a decrypted key or password. 3.3 Describe how image and sound are represented in computer system. All data in a computer is conveyed as a series of on or off electrical impulses. 3.4 Explain how comparison can did the storage of data, image or sound. Processing power and storage space are incredibly valuable on a computer. Comparison, that is logic. 3.5 Describe the purpose of logic gates. Logic gates are used to make decisions such that electrical outputs only turn on when a special logic sequence is followed. Each logic gate has a name that indicated how two possible output are determined by birth inputs. 4.1 Describe the purpose of different types of computer network. A computer network is set of computers that are connected each other by cable or Wi-Fi with the purpose of transmit or sharing data. Computer networks are divided into their categories. 4.2 Describe the hardware, software and transmission media used in computer network. Routers. A modem is a device that uses a telephone connection to contact a computer to the internet. A hub is a network device that broadcasts data to all other network devices. A cable LAN, for example, can be used to link a few gaming consoles together for a local multiplayer game. A BD is a device that join two LAN network together. 4.3 Identify a range of World Web technologies. Web browser, email apps, collaborative programs. The most popular cable, twisted paired cable, fiber opticals. 4.4 Describe the purpose of different types of computer network topology. What is the meaning of network topology? Data web page in transported from servers to clients by three major technologies. Computer of user. Example of these technologies can be found below. Here my picture. Thank you for good watch.